think probably one like principle that I try to apply generally is free up like as much space in your brain for, you know, the things your brain is meant to do, like creative stuff, like solving new problems, like learning new things, all that stuff, and not like, oh yeah, I need to go, do this thing. I need to do that. Like I need to review someone's code. I need to respond to this guy's message, and just constantly like cycling those back and forth in your head. It's like I've been there before where you just spend so much time doing that and you never end up, you just sort of in like a rat race almost, in your head. And so I try to do a bunch of stuff that helps me there. So I used Notion a lot. Pretty much just like as soon as I have a thought, I'll just put it down in Notion. Could be like right before I fall asleep, could be while I'm watching TV, could be, in the like in the middle of a meeting or something like that. And then just like jot it down. Then I know, okay, I can leave that out, start thinking about something else. What is the next thing type of thing. And the other thing too that I do is on messages. This is a big one because like I think growth wise, like getting your soft skills and communication down is, one of the biggest things, especially as you get like more to the senior levels, is I use like the Slack reminder feature. So anytime like someone tells me, oh, you need to, do this by this time or something like that, and I'll get that message, and then, I might be in the middle of something, save for later, remind me in 1 hour or something like that when my meeting is going to be finished. And then by the time my meeting's finished, I'll have that notification pop up right there, and I'll be like, oh, okay, this is what I'm doing now. Or someone will tell me that they're going to get something to me by the end of the week. I'll set a reminder for the coming Monday. And then if I didn't receive a notification from them by then I'll ping them and be like, hey, how's that thing going or something like that. So like having a bunch of systems in place, it doesn't need to be those exact things, but whatever works for you to just, allow your brain to think of the non, just rote like task type stuff, and can just like find new things and be creative has been super helpful for me. Even as someone who's like not, I feel like I don't really consider myself like traditionally like creative.